The commander is ready to get loaded this morning, right now. Good job, honey. Whoop, whoop. Sunday morning, 7:20 a.m. Our goal was 7, but hey, we're up and it's before 8.
Yep, we're out of here.
Truck's running and we're headed to Springfield. So unfortunately we didn't make it yesterday out of Missouri yet. We're still in Missouri, but
we should be there tomorrow.
Yeah, got the truck late on Friday. By the time we shopped, it was all day yesterday on Saturday, and we figured there's no point. And
you want to redo that? Sorry.
That's okay. It's part of it.
It out over there.
So yeah, we're headed out today. What's gonna happen? We got to go to Springfield still and do a little bit of shopping, but it's only a little bit of stuff. So we're
on the way.
We're leaving. We're leaving Missouri today, hopefully. All right, guys, we got 3 chainsaws, all the stuff for the chainsaws,
19 gas cans,
19 gas cans, zip ties, matches. Somebody told us repellent, bug spray, string to tie down stuff. There's a bunch of batteries in there. So this was our Home Depot trip, like $1,500 worth of
come here, I gotta tell
stuff.
him something.
Oh, yes,
so
yes.
There's a young kid helping me get all these chainsaws right, and then he sees everything we got piled up here, and I didn't because I thought it might freak him out, but we asked him where the rope was. So I was like, now we have this stuff where we can tie them up, cut them to pieces, and then burn them.
Oh Lord, no. Honestly, we're just going to help out in the hurricane, I promise. All right, guys, I have Sarah with me, the manager here.
Hey.
She helped us out tremendously at Harbor Freight here in Springfield, Missouri. I just want to say thank you so much. She got us a couple of generators. We appreciate it, girl.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate what you guys are doing for everybody.
Thank you.
Safe travels.
Thank you.
Be safe, everyone.
All right. But first, we stop at Krispy Kreme's before we head out of Springfield. This is it. We got everything we need for right now. So we can actually hit the road and put some miles on.
Finally.
Yum, Sonny's favorite, Krispy Kreme.
Uhaul's got this stuff figured out. Look, they have a Krispy Kreme donut box holder in the dash. I'm sure that's what it's meant to be
perfect.
for. It's perfect.
Sorry, close up. 10:45 when we finally left Springfield, Missouri. And we got 18 hours and how many miles?
About 1,200 miles.
About 1,200 miles. We're hoping to drive straight through, which gets us there tomorrow. And you got a couple hours of like stops, gas stops, eating, all that. So
Or 8 a.m.
8 a.m.
9 a.m. somewhere in there.
Yeah. We left before noon today, which I'm thankful for. So in our books, we're on time. But anyways, I am going to throw in here some information that we got to tell our supporters. Those are the individuals that subscribe on our Facebook group. They pay like a little monthly fee. And
$5.
yeah, and they get to kind of see more behind the scenes of what's going on with us. Sometimes we don't put it out to anybody at all but them, and some of it is just they get to know things before everybody else does. But here's a little clip to let you guys know kind of what was happening behind the scenes. Here you go. Morning, guys. We want to do a special little video to let you guys know more what's going on behind the scenes that we haven't told everybody yet. But the original plan is we got this trailer, and so we were gonna probably put Sonny's bike on the trailer. Oh, the sun is so bright. And then I was gonna ride behind, but we got to thinking about it, and there's just so much to do with what's going on. So we decided that I probably should be in the cab with him and working on that and making sure everything goes smooth.
Yeah, phone calls, emails, messages on Facebook, all that stuff has to be managed. And if she's riding and I'm driving, then nobody's doing that for like 3 days.
Yeah.
So that's not going to work. Plus, riding a motorcycle, we couldn't go as far as we can in the truck because we can rotate drivers and all.
Yeah.
So we left my bike there.
So what's your plan?
So in 2 weeks or so, I will fly back, and then I will Uhaul doing Iron Butt from here to there, which is a little over 1,200 miles.
That's something he like really wants to do and interested in doing. I'm not so much. I think if I had to, I would do it, but I don't know. So
I feel like after a couple weeks of what we're getting ready to go through, I will welcome a 20-hour motorcycle ride.
right. So Iron Bet, for those that don't know, is
1,000 miles in 24 hours.
and it's all recorded, and then you get some certificate.
Yep.
And yeah.
Yeah, so you gotta like take pictures of stuff, get receipts. I don't know all the rules. I've watched other people do it, so I will figure out all the rules, and I'll do my Iron Butt.
All right, there you have it. There's the inside scoop that we haven't revealed yet. Have a good day, guys. All right, Arkansas sign coming up. One state down. And we're just chilling.
Chilling?
Trail is still back there, right, honey? You didn't lose the commander.
I don't know if Commander Death is in the trailer or not, but the trailer's there.
It better be. My baby better be in there. All right, welcome to Memphis, Tennessee. And that big pyramid you see right over there is the past all the bug that's on the window is a Bass Pro. Sometime I'd like to go to that, check it out. But here we are on the water.
Here's your Tennessee state line.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, there's your big sign.
Welcome to Tennessee.
What's up, guys? So we are on the south side of Birmingham. We are about halfway there.
Yep.
So we got about 650 miles left to go.
Halfway.
We stopped, fueled up, and got Subway
Eat on the
because
way.
Mama got hungry.
Yes.
And
smelling food.
her eyes started hurting, so she put her glasses on.
I'm supposed to just keep him awake the
right.
rest of the time. He's driving.
I've got some good ideas of how to do that too.
It's dark outside. What? What are you saying?
Nothing. All right, guys.
All's
Hoochie.
going good,
Hoochie.
except that apparently we didn't have our headlights on when it got dark, and so we got a big old honk. And we get to the gas station, we're like, what was he honking at?
We didn't have our lights on.
Headlights.
No big
Headlights are
deal.
good.
All right. We're off,
Otherwise,
guys.
we're good. All right, well, let you know when we get here. Or there.
Here. We're here.
We're here.
We'll tell you when we get there.
There we go.
All right.
All right, so,
Are you going to the bathroom?
yes.
All right, go to the bathroom.
I'm gonna go to the bathroom. I'm videoing first.
I don't need your video.
Here we go. We're filling up gas, the 2 different gas stations, hoping that the police don't come get us. No, I'm just
Get on the map.
We're on the map. SupportBikers.com.